The nutritional and health benefits of yams are numerous and well documented. Yams, also known as Dioscorea rotunda, white yam, and Dioscorea alata, water yams, are types of tuber vegetables that originated in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean. Popularly called iyon by the Bini people of Nigeria, as isu by the Yorubas, as ji by the Igbos, and doya by the Hausas. Yam is more than food in Nigeria. It is also used in our customary celebrations, like marriage, naming, and burial ceremonies, depicted as a male totem in some areas of the Igbo land. Another custom observed is that women are not permitted to go to the yam farms till it is ready for harvesting. However, harvesting of the crop is usually done by women. Welcome, I hope that you are well. Tuber is the main part of the yam plant, which has high carbohydrate content, low in fat and protein, and provides a good source of energy. Unpeeled yam has vitamin C. Yam, sweet in flavor, is eaten as boiled yam, as cooked vegetable, or fufu, or fried in oil and then consumed. It is often pounded into a thick paste after boiling and is eaten with the various traditional soups. Yam is also dried and ground into flour, for use in the preparation of the paste, popularly known as pounded yam. One of the marriage customs observed in some communities in Nigeria is to measure the bridegroom's wealth by the amount of yams that he can produce. Also, according to tradition, the groom has to present a minimum of 200 big tubers of yams to the in-laws as a proof that he can take care of his wife and the future family. Now to the health benefits. Its medicinal use as a heart stimulant is attributed to its chemical composition, which consists of alkaloids of saponin and saponin. Its use as an industrial starch has also been established, as the quality of some of the species is able to provide as much starch as in cereals. Here are further health benefits of our humble yams. Yams offer us desirable nutritional and health benefits, such as antioxidants, lowering of blood sugar and cholesterol, antimicrobial, as well as modify the body's immune response. Yams, a food staple in West Africa, add variety to the diet, being versatile root vegetables. Yams are very popular, often eaten boiled, steamed, roasted, fried, as yam porridge, to name some of the ways this root vegetable is eaten. Yam preparation method can affect the nutritional and health benefits you get from it. For example, different dehydration methods used to produce yam flours could affect their antioxidant activities. Freeze-dried yam flours were found to have the strongest DPPH radical scavenging activities compared to those of hot air-dried or drum-dried yam flours. When I was growing up, my great-grandmother would insist we steam yam with its skin on, or very thinly peeled. This annoyed me somewhat whenever I did the peeling, as extra care had to be taken to get just the skin off. If you have peeled yams before, I am sure you can relate. In hindsight, she knew what she was talking about. Let's talk about fried yam. Let me confess, this is my favorite. Frying might not be the best way to prepare yams for health reasons. Generally, fried foods tend to be health unfriendly. However, yams don't tend to soak up oils, unlike ripe plantains and other fried foods. Yams function as source of antioxidants. Lots of research demonstrate that oxidative stress plays a key role in the development of several chronic diseases, such as different types of cancer, heart diseases, arthritis, diabetes, autoimmune and neurodegenerative disorders, and aging. Oxidative stress is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals are oxygen-containing molecules with an uneven number of electrons. The uneven number allows them to easily react with other molecules. Free radicals can cause large-chain chemical reactions in your body because they react so easily with other molecules. These reactions are called oxidation. They can be beneficial or harmful. Antioxidants are molecules that can donate an electron to a free radical without making themselves unstable. This causes the free radical to stabilize and become less reactive. Though the human body is blessed with internal antioxidant defense systems, we still need external sources of antioxidants. This becomes more useful as internal defense system may get overwhelmed by excessive exposure to oxidative stress. A number of studies have reported the antioxidant activities of several roots and tuber crops, including yams. Usefulness in wound healing. Water yam, Dioscorea alata, was reported to have the highest DPPH radical scavenging activity of 96% among different selected tuber crops, such as sweet potato, cocoa yam, and other Dioscorea yams. Yam's potential anti-cancer function. Cancer is a leading cause of death worldwide, with the state of Israel and Australia having the highest rates in the world. Cancer may not be a leading cause of death in West Africa. However, doing everything possible to prevent or reduce this terrible disease is to be further embraced by us eating more of our locally produced foods instead of chemically laced foods openly imported into our nation. Also, anti-cancer compounds have been found in yams. Several compounds identified in tubers have demonstrated their use as potential anti-cancer agents. In addition to phenolic compounds, saponins present in roots and tubers play a pivotal role as anti-cancer and anti-tumor agents. Number 1. Phenolic compounds. Examples include glycoalkaloids such as alpha-choconine and alpha-solanine. A study by Lee et al. Have demonstrated their use as potential anticarcinogenic agents. B. Saponins, namely, cycloateins, amarins, oleanins, lupins, and steroids, demonstrating strong anti-tumor effects on different types of cancers. Root and tuber phytochemicals, as in yams, have demonstrated anti-cancer effects in several types of carcinoma cell lines and animal models. In a study by Wong et al., the study authors reported that the aqueous extract of yam, Dioscorea alata, inhibited the induced damage of calf thymus DNA and protected human lymphoblastoid cells from copper sulfate-induced DNA damage. Extract of water yam contains a homogeneous compound with a single copper binding site, a good natural, safe copper chelator. Another compound, mucilage polysaccharides, these function as good copper chelators. These water-soluble mucilage polysaccharides are the most important copper chelators in extract of water yam. Thus, it has been suggested that Dioscorea alata, water yam aqueous extracts, could serve as potential agents in the management of copper-mediated oxidative disorders and diabetes. What nutritional values does our yams possess? Here we go. 1 cup, around 136 grams of roasted yams provides. Calories 158. Carbohydrate 37 grams. Protein 2 grams. Fat 0 gram. Fiber 5 grams. Vitamin C 18% of the daily value. Vitamin B 59% of the daily value. Manganese 22% of the daily value. Magnesium 6% of the daily value. Potassium 19% of the daily value. Thiamine 11% of the daily value. Copper 23% of the daily value. Folate 6% of the daily value. Yams are associated with a number of other health benefits, including 1. Improved digestive health. Studies indicate that the resistant starch in yams may increase digestive enzymes that help break down food and increase the number of good bacteria in your gut. 2. Weight loss. One animal study found that yam extract reduced food intake, suggesting that these tubers may help reduce appetite and improve weight loss. The fiber in yams may promote weight loss. 3. Antimicrobial benefits. Though the exact mechanism is unknown, several studies observe that yam extract may protect against certain drug-resistant bacteria. Number 4. Another benefit of yams is improved cholesterol levels. In one study, women who ate 18 ounces, about 390 grams of yams per day, for 30 days, experienced a 6% decrease in blood cholesterol levels. Though yams' rich nutritional content appears to offer many benefits, more human research is needed to study these effects in more detail. Thanks for watching. Please comment below, share and like if you found the video helpful. Also, if you need more health tips and information for healthier living, do visit my website at www.wellnessgal.com. Till next time. Be well and stay well.